happening this morning then?
It's me again. We've had a couple of rolls. We were at Sunny. Where are they?
The Cosy Cup.
The Cosy Cup.
Little bursty.
Yeah. I've got them all in my car. It's like Del Boy's outing in the coach. But he ain't caught fire yet.
Me, Dave, and his chair, all in the 100E. He was a bit cramped, but we're out here, right? So that's all that matters.
And the sun's out again.
Dave's got kind of a cool t-shirt. Cherry bomb.
Cherry bomb. I thought every time I take someone out in it, the back's rubbed when freezing it, and I thought, I said to Gina, I'm going to get up early, I'm going to get up early anyway. I said, I'm going to get over and wind those backs up.
This is my little little beast.
How long have you had those cars?
Not very long. I've got another one at home. Yeah. But this
Well, it is really, isn't it?
Yeah. This one's, you know, it was renovated about 45 years ago.
Right.
There was a few things wrong with it. The wheels, the seat, the handbrake.
Just done in Liverpool with 3.5 hours. Today it's going. Never brings it back.
Nice. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yes, that's right, yeah. Off the I know. And all like the early ones, weren't they? But they're like new early ones, yeah. Yeah, that's right, yeah. Something yeah, that's the same sort of thing. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yes.
Volvo's for sale.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just what I do. Just about
Westfield, got the old Pinto in it.
So luckily, because the graphite isn't magnetic,
No, it's right.
but it was still attached to its spring.
Yeah.
So with a magnet, I was able to just take it out the top of this.
Bloody yeah, you've got good eyes.
Gear Mark 2. P6.
and then one day Steve was coming home from one of the shows.
With no
We've got the old T-tops.
Yep, just taking them off now the sun's come out.
Why not, eh?
Made the most of it.
That's what they're about.
Might as well enjoy the sun while we've got it.
That's it, and you got to get out, haven't you?
Not too bad, get in there. Sorry to
Work still in work?
yeah, I've got work in a minute actually, so before I come down here, try and get this support and then go clean some motors.
It's alright, it's different.
Terracotta Mark II. Nice old truck, we see that about a lot. Not freezing, nice, isn't it? Phil's got the van out, he drives that about quite a bit. One little thing.
Oh, you can actually control it up. Because if you do 50% on that one, you're right down in the low box, so you're only doing 5
Boat tower, you know, that is.
Take care mate, nice to meet you, darling. See you later. Right, there you go.
If I drop that right down into low bottoms, you can go down a slope like that, it will just go down. But you've got to remember, stay away from that brake pedal.
Yeah.
You've got to let it do its thing.
Yeah. I did the Land Rover experience, and they kept saying that. Don't touch the brake, get off, don't. Your instinct, your instinct.
That's right. Yeah, they've got a couple of things like
A few different bits here today.
Yeah, we went to years ago. We went on American stuff. Now, we remember, you think this stuff bloody right? We had a couple of rideys, but we had a lot of shags and we had a lot of
Good to see the old stuff out being used, you know.
yeah, this is
How about that under there, eh? Clean, isn't it?
People say, no, it's not a stripe, I said it's the cube part.
Clean under there, isn't it?
The only problem is it's glass, it's hard.